The Mercedes-AMG GLS 63 already looks massive and powerful from the factory, but Larte Design clearly wanted a bit more attitude, so they came up with a new body kit called the Winner, which gives the GLS a sharper, cleaner look without going crazy or ruining its vibe. Compared to some of Larte's other kits, this one is actually pretty calm. The biggest change is a carbon fiber hood with a couple of vents to help cool things down. They also added a new front splitter and some carbon details around the air intakes, which give the front end a slightly more aggressive feel. The kit comes with wider fender flares for both the front and back, and you can go for their forged wheels if you want. Honestly, the wheel design might look a bit too fancy for a GLS 63, but if that's not your thing, you can always keep the original AMG rims. At the back, the upgrades continue with a carbon diffuser, a curved roof spoiler, carbon bumper accents, and new tailpipes to finish the look. All the pieces Larte makes for the AMG are lightweight pre-preg carbon fiber and have TUV certification, so they meet quality standards. Plus, everything uses the factory mounting points, meaning you don't have to cut anything. If you ever want to return the car to stock, the parts come off just as easily. And while this kit is pretty subtle, Larte isn't always this calm. Just a while ago, they revealed a much wilder setup for the Cadillac Escalade with huge arches, an exposed carbon hood, and a crazy aggressive front end. The Winner kit for the GLS 63 isn't trying to be loud. That's its charm. It makes the GLS look tougher without changing the character that people already love.